Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic JPMC fraud alert email scam. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned. So as I have mentioned, today we'll be discussing about this fraud email scam which is from JMPC company, which is JP Morgan Chase. Basically, this is a multinational investment bank and financial services which is headquartered in the United States. So as we know, these days the scams and frauds are very much becoming common. These scammers and these frauders are everywhere, all over the internet, in every aspect. So basically they try to somehow trap you in any basic thing to get out your account details or any details related to your bank. So let's move forward and I'll give you more details regarding this topic. So basically, knowing and being aware and alert before falling into a scam is very much important. So in this video I'll be telling you about how this thing goes on. So this is recently, you can see 1 month back. So this bank, which is a JP Morgan Chase bank, there were many frauds going on. Like a group of fraudsters were basically sending random people this email. As you can see, I have displayed. They basically tell you that someone has, if you're doing any transaction through your any debit card, credit card, and they'll say, like example, they'll say $2 are being transacted from this particular state, say California, and they basically ask you if you have done this transaction, and if you have not done, see, as you can see, there's yes or no, if whether you have done this transaction or whether you have not done this transaction. So if you press this yes, they'll basically tell you the card will remain active. The purchase, if your purchase was declined, you will not be charged unless you try again. And if you press no, they'll say they'll block your card and call you and all that stuff. Basically this is totally fraud. You should not fall for this. And this is as you can see, it is clearly given a random person's name and a random card ending number which is not yours. See, this is one more example which they'll send you email. They'll ask you if these transactions are done by you and not. And if you say these transactions are not done by you, and then they will tell you to go log in to the credential, go to the email ID and go to the website and log in with your account details and then change your password or PIN account. So this is how they will give you. Basically below the email they'll send you a link, and when you open that link it will directly redirect you to this site which looks exactly like the company site, but it is not. They have replicated it so good that it looks like the original. They'll be easy to log in with all your details and all, so please do not. And for your information, JP Morgan Chase, they have seen this issue and they have told all their customers not to fall for this, because they never email the customers relating their transaction. They only email their customers showcasing their new products or new services. They basically told if anyone receives such email to call on their help desk, on their regional help desk, as this is an international brand. So every region will have a particular help desk number, and they've also said to forward the email to their email ID, which is abuse@chase.com. This email ID was specifically created for this issue. With this we come to an end of the video, but before going further, I would request all the viewers to please like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you still haven't subscribed. So let's go to the conclusion. So as per my conclusion, please do not fall for such scams and frauds. If there's anything suspicious, please directly call the bank and or forward the mail to the bank. That is the only way you can stop your money from going out of your bank. I hope this video was very helpful for you all. With this we come to the end. So I would like to tell all of you all that we read all your comments on every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel today. Thank you. Be informed, be safe.